Okay, YouTube viewers, this is a quick tip. If you have 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000 Honda Civic, doesn't matter the model, LX, EX, DX, whatever, you may find this problem. I don't even live near the sea, but the asphalt mat that came from the factory here got loose, and I just took it off by touching it, and all this was rust. I was scraping a lot in the last hours, and now I will pass this asphalt thing. After about 2 days it will dry, and I will put the mat on again. So quick tip, if you have this kind of car, take some time, take off the rug, and maybe you will find this problem too, if it is not worse. Okay, so there you go.